Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm posting my first ever recipe video. Yeah. I'm making Ogbono soup, the Nigerian style. If you want to see how I achieve this pot of goodness, you can keep watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we have the main ingredients, which is the Ogbono seeds, and over here we have goat meat and stripes, also known as chaki. Here we have our dried smoked fish. Smoked fish. You can use any fish of your choice. And over here we have a stockfish for that extra flavor and yumminess. Over here I have my okra, which is the vegetable I will be using for this soup anyway. And over here we have palm oil. This is very important for your soup, guys. Over here we have our seasoning and our spices, and here we have our salt to taste. Okay guys, let's start cooking. Yeah, this stage I'm adding my dried periwinkle. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you this while I was showing the ingredients because it was soaked somewhere, so I kind of forgot. Yeah, I'm using dried periwinkle, and now I'm adding my stockfish which I soaked too. So I just want to add them all up so that everything is going to cook together. Just give it a stir it all up. After about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm adding some dry pepper. Yeah, cayenne pepper. At this stage, I like to add this dried pepper so that the meat can absorb some pepper. I don't know, maybe it's just a thing for me, I don't know, but this stage I like to do it. So just leave the meat to cook, and while the meat is cooking, I'm blending my ogbono seeds and crayfish together. Yeah, the reason why it's good to add crayfish and your ogbono together, because it's going to leave it in that powder form, because when you blend only the ogbono, sometimes they are going to come together. You won't have that powder form that you want. And why, after blending the ogbono, I'm just cutting up my okra now. Yeah, I like to cut it anyway. I don't like grating it. It's almost the same thing, but I just prefer this method, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at those. Yeah, guys, at this stage the meat is ready, and I'm just adding the palm oil. Yeah, our red oil. Yeah, this is not the frying method. Yeah, it's not the frying method. There are different ways to make your ogbono soup. Sometimes you can fry it, but this one is not the frying method. I just add my oil and I'm about to pour the ogbono inside. At this stage, if you have fish in your soup, I advise you remove it, because my dear, you are not going to see your fish, because everything is going to scatter. But as for me, I don't have fish in my soup at this stage, so I just stir it all up. Ça sent bon. It smells good, guys. It smells good. Sorry, you people cannot smell it, but I can. Yeah, you can see I did not cover the ogbono soup. There is this mint that was made to believe while growing up that when you cover your ogbono soup, it's going to lose its sliminess. How true is this, guys? I know it's not true, okay? But I believe it anyway. Oh God, things we are made to believe, and we know they are not true, but we just believe them anyway. Yeah, at this stage, guys, the soup is almost ready. Look at that. Look at that pot of goodness. So I'm just adding my fish. Yeah, I'm just adding my dried smoked fish. Now you have to keep stirring, because ogbono soup burns so fast, so you have to keep stirring. Yeah, I'm adding my okra. Keep stirring. Yeah, this stage I'm adding my prawns. I don't know if I still showed this while I was showing the ingredients, guys. Okay. I left some things inside the fridge. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I have to get used to this, guys. And also a cup of water, because at this point the soup was kind of too thick. So I had a cup of water. Yeah, guys, our soup is almost ready. You can see over there I already have my pot to make semo already. It's there waiting. Nobody got time for that. Yeah, I'm adding some salt, because I tested the soup and there was not enough salt, and a little bit of spinach. Yeah, look how the spinach just transformed the soup. At this stage, guys, I will say our soup is ready. Our ogbono soup is ready. Look at that, guys. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, the soup is ready, guys. It's so ready. The only thing that is remaining is for you to just bring your swallow and start eating. Yeah, the water is not boiling yet, so we have to wait for the water to boil so that we can start making the swallow. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget